and namaste everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a perfect CV, which is also called in German Lebenslauf. If you are new to my YouTube channel, then please don't forget to subscribe my channel for more videos. Lebenslauf or CV is your identity. It represents your professional and academic achievement. It is needed for different purposes like visa processing, job application when you apply for study, or if you're a nurse, then it is also needed when you apply for nursing recognition process. Lots of people were asking me about sample of CV. That's why today I am here to show you how to make a professional CV online for free. So let's get it started. So at first we're going to type Lebenslauf in Lebenslauf Vorlage in Google, which is called sample of CV, and here you can see lots of options. It will show lots of website that provides you CV. I particularly use one website which is really easy to use, and that is lebenslauf.com. So I'm going to click here, and you're gonna see here lots of samples. So I'm going to use this first one, Tabellariser Lebenslauf. I'm going to click here. You can see this one sample. Also choose other option. Here is Mehr Designs, which means more design. You can click here and you can see also other samples. You can use it as you wish. So I'm going to use this sample. I think it's really okay. And to edit everything online, so here you can write your name. So I'm going to give example with my name, and here is written persönliche Daten, which means your personal information. So I'm going to edit with everything. So I'm going to write here name. Next point is Anschrift, which means your address. So, and next point is your telephone. You can add your telephone or mobile number. Here you can give your email address. I'm just going to give you some idea. So I'm just going to write a random address, and here you can write geboren, means when is your birth date. In Kathmandu. So I think it's done with persönliche Daten. So next point, here you can see Ausbildung. Here you can write down all your academic qualifications. So here you can write down, because in this point you need to write your date. You can write school name here, Kathmandu school, for example, and Abschluss means what did you completed at the end of school, which is called in German Realschule. And you can also write there in bracket SLC. And here again you can write, if you have done your +2, then you can write again your +2 college name. And Abschluss, you can write Abitur, which is called in German, and you can also write down there in bracket 11 plus 12 Klasse. Yeah, so if you want to add again other option, then here you can see Eintrag hinzufügen. You can click here, then comes next option. So if you have done your university or bachelor level, then you can add your, for example, if you're a nurse and if you have done your bachelor in nursing, then you can write here Kathmandu nursing college, and Abschluss you can write Pflege, which means nursing. Yeah, so it's done. Ausbildung, it's done. So here comes Kenntnisse and Fähigkeiten. This means here is written Fremdsprachen, which means your language level. So you can write here English sehr gut in Wort und Schrift. That means you are really good in writing. Also, for example, here Nepali language, you can write Muttersprache, your mother language, English, and you can write now German, Deutsch. So for example, if you have done B1 level completed, then you can write B1 Niveau, and from where did you complete it, you can also write here Gothe certificate, and it's finished. And here it's written PC Kenntnisse, that means how well you can use PC. So I just remove this Adobe Photoshop. Yeah, and here is Führerschein, which means driving license. If you have it, then you can write it. If you don't have, you can delete here. Eintrag lösen, then you can delete it. So it's done here. So another, we need to edit here photo. We need to upload a photo here. So you can click here. Bild auswählen means click the photo, upload, click here. So I'm just going to use a photo of me, for example, here. You can see my photo, and hochladen means upload. Zuschneiden means crop. So I'm just going to crop a little bit, and zuschneiden. So here we have my photo. Yes. So next we are going to add or edit berufliche Laufbahn, which means your job experience. Here you can edit from when till now. If you're working till now, then you can write it heute means till now. And here you can write company name, or if you're a nurse, if you're working in hospital, you can write your hospital name. For example, Kathmandu Krankenhaus means hospital. And what is your position name? Krankenpflegerin. So here next add here whether if you have done any volunteer or if you have done any other job, everything you can add here. So I think it's too much 5 point. I'm just going to delete this last option here, Eintrag lösen, click here again, Eintrag lösen, click. So I'm just going to leave 3 point where we can add. We can also move this whole part to other side, above or downwards, everywhere. For example, I will show you how to. Nach rechts verschieben, that means right side, yeah. And here you can, because it's gone upwards, I would like to have it downwards, so you can click it nach unten verschieben. So here comes. So we have everything done. Sabina Lama, persönliche Daten, Ausbildung, berufliche Laufbahn, Kenntnisse und Fähigkeiten. So another important thing is we need to add signature. Here we can see above Unterschrift, which means signature. Bilddatei hochladen. So we're going to click here, Bilddatei auswählen. I'm just going to add my signature photo. Here comes my photo. So you just can write a signature in white paper, and you can click it photo and add in computer. It's really easy. So hochladen, zuschneiden, I think it's okay. So I'm going to click it. So you can find it here, signature. And here you need to also add, I think the name we need to add date and place name. So I'm just going to write Kathmandu, and date, today's date is 27 March 2021. So I think we're done. So make sure you check every data, your email address and birth date, everything before you send it. So next point is here you can see herunterladen. Click here. So you see this point and you can download it here if you are already logged in. But if you're new, you have to register an account in this website. To register an account, you need to go at first here in this option herunterladen. You need to click here. When you click there, you will go this page and find this form. So you need to write your name, surname, your email address and password. Once you finish everything, you can click here herunterladen. Then you will submit everything. After you submit this, you can directly log in and go this Zoom login. And to log in, you can use your email address and password. Then you will be directly be able to download like this. So that's all for today's video. I hope you got lots of information and idea how to make CV directly online for free. I hope you really liked my video. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel, and if you have any more questions then you can comment down. That's all for today. Thank you so much. Bye.